last weekend we went out for our final sail of the season. We brought our friends Keith and Janice for a cold wintry sail. Donned lots of snow gear, especially me because I'm a complete cold wimp. But it was pretty nice getting to go out on the boat one last time before we put her away for the winter. And we also spent Sunday morning winterizing her, which we'll show you a bit later in the video. I've been taking my drone out every time we've gone sailing, and I haven't had the guts to actually launch it near the boat. Anyway, I brought the drone down again and I was determined to take it out and get some kind of bird's eye shots of the old boat for the last sail of the season, and it was pretty windy and was feeling a bit wimpy as usual, so decided not to take it out and fly it, but instead we hoisted it up the mast using a spare halyard, which was not totally successful.
That's awesome.
Well, we got it up just fine, and we took it up about halfway before we realized that there was not enough weight of the drone to actually pull it back down if we just let the halyard go. So it's actually pretty lucky we didn't take it all the way up the mast, where it would still be there at the top of the mast, since we had no way to really retrieve it otherwise. Barely got it. It was just high enough that I could just reach it, so managed to recover it.
And we grabbed it with a boat hook. I was pretty relieved. Not sure what would have happened if we hadn't been able to get it up. I guess one of us would have been climbing the mast at some point.
It'd still be there.
Or it would still be there, and I would have lost my beautiful drone. So. Sailing! It's almost November!
Last sail of the year, maybe the last sail of this boat?
Maybe.
I'm putting on foot warmers. Hand warmers. It's freaking cold today. At least a decent toe. These adhesive toe warmers. Hopefully this will make my toes nice and toasty. I'll see how it works. My first time using them while sailing. It's pretty cold out. Captain?
Just fine.
little chilly. Otherwise good. On the home stretch all the way back.
What are we doing today?
Today we're going to do all the winterizing on Chinook before we pull her out for the season. So basically for that, for you southerners that don't have to winterize your boats, what we have to do is replace essentially all of the water that's in the boat with antifreeze. So both fresh water and any salt water that's in the engine. You basically just have to flush all the system, get rid of all of the water that's in it, and then replace all that with antifreeze. So we do that for the freshwater tanks, we empty them all, just pour out all the water, pour a couple gallons of antifreeze into each tank, and then run that through the lines. This is for our nano bilge pump, which just sucks excess spare water out of the bilge. You have to make sure to run some of this through that as well. For the engine we have to do that as well, so you pour antifreeze basically directly into the raw water strainer that gets sucked through the whole engine system, the exhaust lift, the muffler, so that all of that's got antifreeze in it. And then what else? The toilet. So any head on the boat, you also have to flush antifreeze through that entire system all the way through the toilet, so that none of those freeze over the winter, burst all your lines, and basically ruin your life for the beginning of the season. So basically this is a three-way valve that lets me pull antifreeze kind of directly into the system from here. So we go through the toilet and through the washdown pump forward. Plonk that in there. Plonk. Now flush the toilet a whole bunch. Hopefully this works. It's not.
We are currently trying to run the antifreeze through the head, which is not working so well. As you can probably hear behind me, Josh is making some interesting noises.
Great fun.
Josh, what have you tried so far?
Oh, various things. Not terrible. There's only a little short stretch that we're not getting antifreeze through. Probably what the problem is I didn't switch the three-way valve back from the washdown pump to the toilet in here. So there was no way that anything would get to the toilet anyway. I think that'll fix things. Alright. Try this again. There we go.
Success! So yeah, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe below, that would be awesome too. And next time, hopefully in the next week or two, we're going to post another video and actually formally introduce ourselves. I said to Josh if we ever got to 100 subscribers, we'd have to do an introductory video. And right now we're looking at 95. Thank you guys. I have no idea why you're subscribed already, since we're barely out sailing, but we really appreciate the support and we can't wait to share our adventures with you. So